Hi everyone, welcome to Digi review. In this video, I am going to discuss on Sketch Genius. It's one of the super unique and mind-blowing video technology app. With Sketch Genius, we can build unique and different pattern of videos in all language. It turns photos into high-impact 3D sketch animated videos using next generation artificial intelligence. Be with me till end to get your freebies. I'm going to give a freebie. It's one of the traffic secret video which helps to boost your sales by getting tons of traffic to your business. For the first time ever with Sketch app, you can transform boring static photos into visually capturing 3D drawing and sketch animated videos in various colors, sketch styles and backgrounds within minutes. It creates a super unique video that sound out from the crowd with first to market sketch theme includes 3D crayon sketch, charcoal sketch, animated sketch notebook, chalkboard sketch, animated flipbook sketch, black and white pencil drawing, 3D color pencil sketch and a whole lot more. The app is powered by next generation artificial intelligence that is far superior than anything you have never seen before. Plus, unlike other apps that only create short videos, with Sketch Genius you can create unlimited ultra long video representation with only minimal fees. How Sketch Genius is different from other apps? Sketch Genius, it has a unique feature. It leaves the competition in the dust. Like these are the below features where we can compare the Sketch Genius with respect to different completing doodle hops. Supports the photo to 3D sketch technology, artificial intelligence scenes creator, speech to text transition, one-click transition. Also, it removes the background. Also, you can add the free music and it has a huge image library. And also, we can upload our own voiceover. Whereas you can see what kind of videos it can be created using Sketch Genius application. Whereas we can unleash the creativity and build unique pattern interrupt 3D skeleton animated videos in all language. We can create the ultra long videos up to 15 minutes long. Whereas we can create one of the crayon sketch videos. We can create the crayon sketch videos. I'll just go through one of the demo video. Also, we can create the charcoal sketch videos, animated notebook videos. Also, it supports the different features like chalkboard sketch videos, color pencil sketch videos, blueprint sketch videos, animated sketch flipbook videos. Also, sign up to win amazing prizes and a free copy of Sketch Genius. It has a software giveaway of 20 free copies of Sketch Genius, whereas 20 lucky winners can get the free copy of Sketch Genius. And also they are providing the cash as a giveaway, whereas 6 random webinar attenders can get $100 each, and also they can get $300 in addition for a secret FB group invite. Bonuses with 1000. In addition to all the prizes, they're going to give the bonuses for thousands on the webinar to attendees only. Please don't miss out this value packed webinar. Sign up to win. Also, you can get a free copy of Sketch Genius if you're going to sign up. Please check out the link in the description box. Thanks for watching. If the video is useful, please do like and subscribe.